welcome to our channel. We bring another recipe today.
So we are going to make chicken chow mein for dinner tonight. So basically chicken chow mein is a famous dish. You would also know it's like a noodle dish, but it's like noodles, chicken and lots of vegetables.
So let's begin. So guys, for chicken chow mein we needed 350-gram chicken. It's a boneless chicken. I cut as a very thin slice. Big 1 carrot. I sliced very thin, long sliced. And I have green beans, 40 gram. I sliced very long, thin slice like that. Bean sprout, 150 gram. 2 spoon of oyster sauce. 2 spoon of dark soya sauce. 2 teaspoon chili sauce. 1 tablespoon corn flour. 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce again, and a crushed black pepper. You can use white pepper as well. And I put the cooking oil there. I don't know how much I'm going to use at the moment according to fry the stuff. I'm going to fry chicken first and fry the vegetables first. I can't work out, so we work out when I cook. Then I have got 2 sticks of celery, sliced very thin like that. Handful spring onion, I cut long way. Got 1 large onion. Got green 2 chili. 4 to 5 garlic cloves. I got 2 handful baby spinach. Got white mushroom 350 gram. So guys, I have got lots of vegetable selection. What you got in your home, you can use whatever you like vegetables. You can add the cabbage as well. So guys, first I'm going to marinate the chicken. So I'm going to put corn flour, then dark soy sauce and black pepper. Mix very well. So make sure it's corn flour mix with the chicken. Don't need to add any salt because soy sauce has a very high content of the salt. So I'm not going to add any salt. So guys, it's done. So I'm going to leave this chicken in one side for 5 to 7 minutes because I'm cooking straight away. And I have got 500 gram whole wheat noodle. So I'm using brown one today. If you like to use white one, is optional. You can use any kind of noodle. So guys, the water is boiled, so I'm going to add the noodle. Then I'm going to add 1 spoon of the vegetable oil. So guys, by the time they boil the noodles, I'm going to mix the sauce. So this is the oyster sauce and dark soy sauce, and this is the red chili sauce. So I'm going to put all in one, then mix it up. Because if you do like this, then when you put in a noodle, it's equally balanced to mix with the noodle. So I'm going to mix it there. This is the sauce ready. So I'm going to leave it one side. So guys, it's noodle done. So make sure it's noodles breaks. So it's breaks, you can see it's cooked. So I'm going to drain the water and I'm going to wash with the cold water. So guys, I washed a few times with the cold water. As you can see, it's all separate. So I'm going to leave it on one side. So guys, I have got large pan here. I haven't got wok, so I have to use this pan. So I'm going to fry the chicken first. So I'm going to add 2 to 3 spoon of vegetable oil. And let it cook first. This oil is hot, so I'm going to fry the chicken. Cook in the slow to medium gas because I want to make sure the chicken is cooked properly. So guys, you can see the chicken is done. I cooked properly. I cooked nearly 10 to 12 minutes. So it's cooked, so I'm going to take out. So guys, you can see its oil is still left there. So I'm going to put gas gas in high flame because I'm going to fry the mushroom. So make sure when you fry the mushroom is we need a high flame because otherwise it's watery. So we're going to fry in a high flame. So that the mushroom is nearly done. So I'm going to check out. You can see it's fried very well. All water is dry. So always cook in a high flame, especially mushroom and the vegetables as well. So you can check out the mushroom. So guys, we need to add another 1 to 2 spoon of the oil to fry the vegetables. Not much. Guys, oil is very hot. So I'm going to cook only green beans and the carrot together. So guys, only fry 1 to 2 minutes. So guys, this vegetable cooked. I'm going to take out. So this is fried, or everything there. So again, I'm going to add 1 to 2 spoon of, not big spoon, it's a teaspoon of the oil. Put less oil because we already fry our vegetables, so we don't need very oily our chowmein. So and let it warm. Oil is very hot. Gas flame is high. So first I'm going to add garlic, 1 minute. Then add the onion straight away. Fry 1 to 2 minutes, no more than 1 to 2 minutes. So guys, it's already 1 to 2 minutes I fried the onion. Then I'm going to add green chilli. So after 1 to 2 minutes fry everything, add the noodles. I'm going to put straight away the sauce, what I mix on it. Then mix it all together. We need a little sauce. This is very no. We need to mix very well and we need to fry as well. So keep your gas in high flame. So guys, after 2 to 3 minutes frying, and mushroom, carrot, green beans and chicken. Then mix very well. After 1 minute frying, I'm going to add the celery. After 1 minute, I'm going to add the spring onion. Then I'm going to mix all together again. Then I'm going to put the spinach. After put the spinach, I'm going to put straight away bean sprouts. So remember, everything we're going to keep the crunchy. Don't need to put too much. So guys, it's done. This looks very yummy and delicious. So guys, you must try this recipe. Very nice. So guys, it's done. So I'm going to dish out. So guys, this is the final look, and you can see it looks already very delicious and yummy. I'm going to put little bit sesame seed on the top. It's completely optional. If you don't want to add, you can skip, but I'm going to add little bit sparkling on the top. So guys, you must try this recipe. This is very nice, yummy and very easy to cook.
This is the chicken chow mein and it looks like it's from the restaurant.
So guys, thanks for watching our video. Hopefully you liked our video. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channels. It would be grateful. So till then, thank you very much. See you guys. Bye bye.